Hello, I'm your Hridika and today I'm in Mülhausen in France. This is a small city and today we did a small walking tour here. Mülhausen is a city in eastern France, near the Swiss and German borders. This small city is very beautiful. The streets here are very clean and polished. This is the St. Stephen's Church. It's a large church built in a neo-Gothic style between 1859 and 1866. I really like the inside of this church because it looks very different, unique and classic from the other churches that I've been. What do you think about this church? And I also like the windows because they're very colorful. In Europe, almost all of the churches are similar, but this one was very different. So now we came back outside. I really like it here because it has really nice and fresh air. And I also like this water drinking machine. If you forgot your water bottle, just drink here. Look at this painting, it's very beautiful. I like this drawing very much because blue is my favorite color. This one is also pretty nice. This garden here looks like a fairy tale. This is the bibliothèque, that means a library. This artwork is a notable piece of urban art in the city. It is transforming an ordinary wall into a vibrant canvas. Here we bought pommes with this black sauce. I don't know what the sauce is, but it tasted salty and it was good. This current building is in a neo-Gothic style and was rebuilt in 1866. This church is located on the main square of this old town. Due to its central location, it is sometimes referred to as the Cathedral of Mülhausen. This is the City Hall in Mülhausen. It is located in the heart of the city. This old town is called Reunion Square. This building is also a historical museum of Mülhausen. It is notable for its vibrant painted facade and a unique exterior double helix staircase. These statues look real, but they're actually fake. They're only painted. Now I'm going upstairs to take a photo. The view from here is just breathtaking. Atmosphere kinda gives me a vintage feeling. Me and my dad are feeding these pigeons. I really like this building. What about you? Comment down below. Statue is of a Halberder, symbolizing security and protection for the city. I was going to open this church, but it was closed. Look at this! This is a small and cute carousel for kids. My sister was crying because she wanted to ride it. This house is also giving me a vintage vibe. I really like the colors, they match so well together. Look at the statue, it's so cool. Actually took so many photos from here and I was trying to look like him. For transport or traveling, we can use trams. I saw people trying this in shorts, so I tried this too. This art looks so unique. I really like the style of this old town because it's very unique, special, and so beautiful. You can see more paintings. This one just blew my mind. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time, and don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Bye! Tschüss!